Hi guys, welcome to another plan with me. If you followed me on Instagram, you might have seen my new stories on my theme. With the help of some questions, I let you guys decide what my new theme was going to be. Together we decided the theme needed to be purple, with a Dutch door and with metallics, and it had to be illustrative. Because I couldn't make my mind up, I chose multiple themes. The overarching theme is light bulbs. In every light bulb I'm going to draw a different theme. For the cover page I am creating a purple sunset. First I made a sketch of a light bulb. Now I am blending the watercolors to create some nice soft colors for my sunset. I chose a warm color of pink and later on I'm going to blend this with purple. To test colors I'm using a piece of paper. At the bottom I wanted the color orange, as if the sun goes down. Now I can add more purple. The colors turn darker towards the top. I even added a tip of blue. Now I let the right page dry and I can start the same gradient on the left page. I use tape to make clean lines. After this we switch back to the right page. The paint has dried so we can apply fineliner to give some definition to our illustration. I use multiple sizes to create more detail. A 0.5 for the outline and a 0.2 for the dots and stripes. With white Ecoline we are going to splatter paint onto the illustration. This will look like tiny stars. I painted the moon, but I soon found out that the paint wasn't opaque enough. So I used opaque white gouache to paint the moon again. Slowly remove the masking tape, pull away from the illustration to prevent the page from ripping. Now it's time to cut the Dutch door. Normally I would use a cutting mat, but this Dutch door was rather easy, so scissors would be fine. The monthly overview is behind the Dutch door and has a simple design. With a grey Tombow I made some stripes to give definition to the dates. For my tracker page I had another theme in mind, gemstones. I did this theme before and it's still one of my favorites. I love how delicate they look. To make them look more realistic, use different shades of blue, pink and purple. Last but not least, I added some silver metallic paint for some glitter. By the way, I totally forgot to add some shimmer to my cover page, so I did that between my tracker page and weekly. The last page is my weekly spread. The purple theme I wanted to create for this spread is Galaxy. This theme gave me a lot of new followers and I still love creating dreamy galaxies. For the weekly spread I wanted the light bulb to be broken. This way the galaxy just flows out. I started with a light color of purple and kept adding darker shades of pink and purple to create nice depth. And that's it guys, Plan With Me May is done. I really hope you guys like the different themes. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you want to see more of me, you can help me out by liking this video or hit the subscribe button. Or follow me on Instagram at Dutch_dots. Hope to see you next time. Bye guys!